Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are y'all doing today? Happy Thursday. Pre-Friday. What up? What's up, Alex? What's up, Tushar? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? How y'all doing? What up, what up, what up? All right, guys, we got some nice progress on these funded. So we're at $1,200 balance. Yeah, not bad. Parish, what up? $100 a day on Monday, then like a 500 on Tuesday, and then like 550 yesterday or something. No, 600 yesterday. I think it was 550 on Tuesday, so not bad. Yeah, guys, these base hits days add up. What's up, Clarence? How you doing? What up, what up, what up? Well, guys, we smacked the all-time highs. We had a sell-off right here, and then a massive reversal right here. Then made new all-time highs, and then now it's selling off pretty hard. A lot of stocks are down today, too. Like, a lot. Palantir's down 6%. Nvidia's down 0.6%. Tesla's down. Yeah, a lot of stuff's in the red today. So I'm kind of surprised we hit all-time highs, honestly. Hey, what up, Tommy? Perry, it should be like 5 to 10 seconds. It shouldn't be that long. Let me see. For me, it's like 8 seconds, I think. Yeah, Clarence. Yep, yep. What up, what up, what up? Yeah, you can see the seconds right here. There will always be a delay on the YouTube. I think we lowered it to as much as we can. Before it was bad. It was like 20 seconds when we were first streaming. But then I fixed it. Hey, what's up, Flick? How you doing? Oh, yeah, the giveaway. If you already entered the giveaway form, don't enter again. But we are picking the winners tomorrow. So if you guys have not entered the giveaway, you can enter it here. If you already did, entered it, fill out the form from last week or this week. Jeez, we're dodging cats right here. Then you're good. Just fill out that form. We have 107 entries and no duplicates. Thank you. So we have 107 entries. So guys, so you guys got like less than a 5% chance of winning. Probably get to 120 by the giveaway. Let's go, Kenji. Proud of you, man. I remember you, man. Good job, man. I'm proud of you, Kenji. Great job. First payout. Let's go. Congratulations, man. And you got another one coming in. Good job, man. No worries for the cast, man. You're excited. That's great. I know that feeling, man. Dude, I get excited anytime I get a payout. I'm like, yeah. Oh, man. But when that first payout hit, I was like, woo-hoo-hoo. I was like on a high. Jeez. The cats are going to war right now, guys. They're going crazy. No, their eyes are fully dilated right now. There you go, Kenji. Nah, don't feel embarrassed, man. You're all welcomed here. We're all trying to get better one day at a time, man. Ah, Tommy, it's all good. Oh, my bad about that. Yeah, you could join again, Tommy. You could post in the chat. I don't care, honestly. It's all good, Tommy. If you want to join again, you can keep posting there. Yeah, I like you in my Discord, Tommy. Yeah, it's all good. My bad about that. Alright, we might see a reversal right here, or it might just reject and fall short again. We'll see. Bro, we've been getting... Right on, Tommy. Yeah, you can post in the chat. I don't care. Yeah, I like you in my Discord, man. Yeah, if you guys are in Discord, yeah, post in there, talk, chat, ask questions. That's what we're here to do. Kenji, as long as you manage your risk, Kenji, should be good, man. Just manage your risk and take the good trades, and whatever happens, happens. But yeah, Kenji, if you can keep that account alive and going, you can keep taking payouts, yeah. Kenji, that's a take profit trader, yeah. So anything above the buffer, you can withdraw daily. Maybe Kenji, just if you want to keep the account for a long time, just like trade micros and strict daily loss limit, because you're at the buffer, and just try to stack like small days. Let's go, Tommy. Let's go. Dude, we're getting payouts, man. What's up, Deals? How you doing, man? Alright, well, if we want a max payout, but any payout I'll take, honestly, even like $1,000 each, that's a good payout. If we want a max payout, we have to get it to $3,000 balance. Then we can take a $1,500 payout per account. So $7,500 payout. That's a good payout. That's a really good payout. Oh yeah, Kenji. Especially if you're copy trading for them, man. Yeah, size down, man. I mean, you could easily make $200 on a day with micros, and that's like $800 after the fees. Like $640 $640. Hey, what's up, Isaac? How you doing, man? Flick, it definitely takes a lot of practice, honestly. It's definitely not like overnight thing. You definitely got to put in the reps in and just get used to it. Like every now and again, I will get tilted. I'm being honest. Like every now and again, but I don't do it often anymore. Before I would get really tilted and like blow up and do a bunch of dumb stuff that I shouldn't be doing. But now, like it, I'm like a lot more cool, like chill, and I'm like, all right, it happens, whatever, move on. Like, yeah, it sucks blowing accounts for me, and it's annoying, but I'm not like, I don't really feel anything anymore. Like, yeah, it sucks and it's annoying. Yeah, oh, that's $500. It sucks. But I know in the back of my mind I can get it back in more. So, I don't know. You get used to it over time. I don't know. Is that a good thing, guys? Like, you don't feel anything when you blow the accounts? Before, you go on bad shit till you're like, damn, I suck. Why did I do that? So now I'm like, whatever. Back to the gulag. Yeah, you gotta put in the reps. What's up, AD? All the way from Japan. What up? Glad to see you back. Chance, yeah, the daily loss limit will definitely save you in the long run, man. Yeah, if you guys go on till or over trade a lot, the daily loss limit is definitely your best friend. Guys, manual lockout. I don't use it because I don't really have a problem with it, but if you guys want to use a manual lockout when you're feeling tilted or if you're up on the day, it's a great button. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Clarence, yeah. Because, like, if you're fully stressed out on the trade, you're like, oh, I gotta make this work. I can't lose these accounts, this, that. It makes it a lot more stressful and, like, more emotions involved. Where if it's, like, you don't care, it just, like, it's like, whatever. I don't know. But it definitely takes time to getting used to. We're making a comeback right here. I want to see how it retests this like 90 area or 100. Maybe a short, maybe. Because it rejected hard right here. I want to see how price reacts. Oh yes, guys. You think we're going to keep hitting all-time highs? All-time highs. Guys, we got another payout on the live account yesterday. 3 days in a row, knock on wood. So after the fees, it's like $1,020. This is our 5th payout on these accounts. On this like one account. Not bad, not bad. Thank you, AD. I'll be honest, guys, though. I was down on the day. I was down on the live account. I was down like 1,200 or something. I was down over 1,000. But then I realized what I was doing wrong, and then I adapted, and I got it back and 1,000. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. And Kenji, that's a dub, man. And you got work pay? Dude, that's double pay right there. Yeah. I'm learning my mistakes from last year, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to inspire you guys as well. Like, if you guys don't know, like, last year was, like, a really, like, probably my worst year of my life, honestly, like, straight up. But I was like, I'm gonna make the biggest freaking comeback on this shit. On the month, on the month, we're at $26,660 on payouts after the fees. On the year, we're at 34,558. And the month's not even over. But guys, just in like trading, like you could have like a banger like month and it could like make it all back. Which is pretty crazy. Gross payouts, not including like the prop firm fees and stuff, but we're up pretty good on the year. We're up pretty good on the year. Yeah, remember guys, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. Remember on the live account, guys, I started down like 2-3 grand. I was down like almost 3 grand on the live account from the start, like 3 losing days back to back. Yeah, I was like, damn, this sucks. But I was like, we can bounce back from this. Like I said, you can make it back on one good day, 1 to 2 good days. Yep, I love that mindset. Han, yeah, right now I'm like doing it like by the groups. Like right now, these alphas I'm trading by itself. And I did that in 2024, and that's when I got 300 grand in payouts. And I noticed a lot of other successful traders do that as well, is they just copy trade from firm to firm. Because when you put everything in one big basket, which I was doing last year, it's a lot more stressful. And it's a lot more stressful, and money's not coming in. So it's nice to have like these daily payout prop firms, like Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures Rapid, Tradeify Select if you want, the FundedNext Bolt, TradeDay, Purdia, those like daily payout ones. So it's nice to have those like separate from the other accounts. So like if you want to scale, you can keep money coming in, because it's really nice having money coming in like consistently. So you know, you put food on the table, you could pay for expenses, prop firm challenges, and then on your other groups like the 5-day like Top Step or other firms, Alpha, you could trade in like, you know, you can also get payouts, but it just takes a little longer, but those payouts are bigger. So it's like a fine line of doing that. So I definitely like the daily payout ones, because you can keep bringing money in, and then, you know, trade these ones on the separately from them. $27.50. 30 points. Right now, Tajar just made a little pop down. I would definitely have my stop at least like right here at this 105, but that's a big stop. That's a 55-point stop loss, Tushar. So, yeah, if it comes down, man, if you're like break even or a small win, or it's coming down kind of aggressively right here, maybe get out, yeah. Yeah, Tushar, that's a good stop loss area. For me, I definitely have tighter stops, but yeah, because 50 points is kind of a lot for me. But yeah, have it in that area. I'd have my stop. Yeah, Han, you definitely do. And it's also more stressful when you're copy trading that many accounts at a time. Like the stress and everything, it's definitely more stressful. Certified funded trader. Let's go, Chris. Let's go. Official, certified, funded, official trader. Thanks, Top Step. You're the best. 68. Yeah, 68. Or like this area too, this 38, 40. It's all good, Han. You can bounce back, man. Like I said, like we say, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. You can bounce back from it. Easy. Yeah, Tushar, yeah. Gross payouts, Alex. But on the 100K series, road to 100K, we profited around like 66 grand. Or 64 grand. No, I think we ended the series on the road to 100K at like 105,000 in payouts. It was something like that, but we profited a good amount. We were profiting like 11 grand a month. Because I think I only spent 36 grand, which was a lot. 36 grand on challenge fees. But I profited like over 60 grand. So I was averaging like 11 grand profit a month on the road to 100K. Which I think is pretty good, making over 10 grand a month from trading first year. That was including the 120 grand I got before the series. Because I started the series, the 100K series, when I was at like 180 grand in payouts. Yes, sir, Alex. Yep. Yeah, 10 grand a month was, yeah, it was like a little more than that. And that wasn't including the 120 grand I got before. No, 180 before I got that. Han, yeah, the flex accounts are nice. They're like Top Step. They're pretty nice. No activation fee, 5 winning days. Leron, the thing with my trading style, it's like, I don't know how to explain it really. It just works for me and how I do it, and it can be like very confusing to people. That's why I like doing these live streams, so I'll try to explain it best as I can, but I don't know. Maybe like raw talks, like those type of videos. I like doing those. Like, yeah, like those raw talks. But the actual trading strategy I use is very simple, but I don't know how to. I don't know. It's really hard to explain. I don't know. Yeah, 5K payout cap per account, Han. So you can get, 25 grand payout. Tony, I went to a tax guy, like a CPA. 80, yeah, 10 grand a month. Yeah, that's good money. That's really good money. That's 120 grand a year, guys. That's 6 figures a year. I want to see how it reacts right here. Yeah, I still started seeing it a bit like that. Like, oh, like 15 grand a month, profit. That's 180 grand a year. That's good money.
Order filled.
I'll try a short right here. Tighter stop just in case it does break, because I don't want to be caught in it on this reversal, but it has rejected off here a few times. And these would be nice scalps. But like I said, if it does break, which it is doing right now actually, we have a tighter stop. Yeah, 12 points. Champions. Hey, what's up, Beyond Limits? How you doing, man? Glad to see you back. Alright, champions. Damn cat here flying around. Alex, I know. Guys, we always get view spiked when we're in a trade. I don't know if it's the YouTube algorithm, like they hear the order filled and they're like, he's in a trade. Send him out, send him out. I don't know. I don't understand. Yeah, we get view spiked whenever we're in a trade. Very interesting. It's the market makers, guys. That's good. Beyond Limits. It's nice to sleep in. I like to try to sleep in on the weekends. Like at least one day. Like a Saturday or a Sunday. It feels good. But then my body's so used to waking up early that I just wake up like an hour later than usual. Alright, we're at 10 points. We could see a tap down to here, this like 770 area. 2770. I mean, that's 30 points. That's a good trade. And if it breaks that, that's a nice gap back down. $38. I mean, we could. I mean, it's retesting this top area. That's why we're shorting it. Yeah, Tushar. Yep. But we could definitely tap down to the 70. I just don't like that wick right there. Alex, yeah, these are funded. They're 5 funded accounts. I think the Q stands for qualified. I think they call it a funded qualified. I think. I haven't got a payout with them yet. 0 Alpha Futures 0 qualified. This is a qualified account, guys. You know how some like PA account. Sketches. I heard like a lot of good reviews and a lot of people getting good payouts with them. It was kind of like Top Step route, and yeah, it didn't seem bad. And they had a good sale on these 0 accounts. These are 0 accounts. I got it for a good deal. No activation fee. You could pass it one day. I passed these on the first try. But sketches, it really depends. I wouldn't go for the other one. There's like one before the advanced. I'd either go for the advanced or the 0 accounts. The 0, you could pass it one day. And 90-10 profit split, no activation fee. New 5-minute right here. It is making a lower high right there. I don't like that. I mean a higher low. Or the advanced accounts. The advanced accounts, if you want bigger payouts, no consistency in the funded. There is activation fees and they are the most expensive. But if you want bigger payouts, go with the advanced. If you want like consistent good payouts, like I mean, $7,500 payout on 5 accounts is still good. Go with that 0. But I wouldn't go with their other one. The other one is like it's like a 70% profit split, but it's cheaper or something. I wouldn't go with that one. Nice, Sushar. Oh yeah, we're talking to a qualified man, yeah. You're talking to official certified hey, we gotta add that now to the thing. Qualified trader. Yeah, that's what I wasn't liking right here. I was making a higher low right there. That I did not like. Retesting it again. Yeah, we're official qualified, funded, certified trader, guys. Sketches, 5 winning days on the 0 accounts, and then you can request 50% of your balance, and there's payout caps on the 0s. But on the advanced accounts, same thing, 5 winning days, but no consistency in the funded. But you can request 15 grand per account. on the advanced. But you would need a 30 grand balance. I mean, let's be realistic. Who's hitting a like a 30 grand balance? Not a lot of people. It's definitely doable, but it's definitely hard getting to a 30 grand balance. So they're kind of like the MyFundedFutures Pro accounts, which I kind of like. I like the Pro accounts on MyFundedFutures. They're kind of like that on the advanced, because you can get bigger payouts. Yeah, I gotta make more of those YouTube shorts. Those are fun. Yo, what is up, guys? Official certified qualified trader here. Oh, man. Champions, what's up, Cash? Champions. We're still in this fight, champions. We're still in this fight. We gotta get the song on standby. Yeah, it's on standby now. Just in case, champions. Let's go, let's go. Guys, we're watching paint dry. We're watching paint dry right now. 109 entries for the giveaway. Nice. That's probably like a 4.5% chance of winning or something. Less than 5. Sketches, I think they... With code Casinator, they'll always have 10% off, like no matter the time. But every now and again, they'll have bigger sales. Like, they had like a 25% off sale. They had a 50% off sale, but that was like a one-time use code. They had 40% off sales. But generally, like, yeah, 25%, I think. But all the time, they always have a 10% off discount. Yeah, it's sharp. The only thing I'm not liking about this trade is making a lower high right here, and it's like wicking above this level. That's what I don't like. At our peak, we were up like almost 15 points. Yeah, like 13, 14 points. But yeah, just in case, that's why we have a tighter stop, only 12 points.
Stop filled.
Stop that right there. All good. It's a small loss. But like I said, I wasn't liking that. Maybe I should have got out at a like 10-point profit or something. Yeah. Oh yeah. The ICT fair value gap up to East London high. Take out the Asia low. Look, smart money liquidity sweep. No, I don't trade fair value gaps. No. Yeah, I know the views spike, Alex. I don't know why. See, they spike by like 20, 30 viewers. Yeah, we're in a bull market right now. But I still like that short. But like I said, I didn't like the lower highs being formed, or higher lows. Hey, what's up, Grizz? How you doing, man? I'm doing great. Yeah. Bro, you like yesterday, got to pay on a live account, did good on the alpha. Did the insanity workout, then I like suntanned for like an hour. Listening to like chill music. Dude, it was quite a vibe yesterday. It was pretty cool. Turtle de soups. Damn, Tushar. Yeah, it's all good, man. It sucks, but just make your next trades count, Tushar. As long as the accounts are still alive. I'm chilling, Grizz. Chilling. Hey, good job, you. Good job. That feels good, man. That feels really good. When you're down on the year and then you finally get back to the green. Good job, man. Keep it in the green, man. Keep it in the green. Be disciplined on that. I've been live, Grizz. I've been live every day. I haven't seen you in the last 2 days, Grizz. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, AD. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, guys, it's really nice to spend time off the charts, honestly. That's why, guys, I really preach, like, you know, the weekends, you know, like, relax, reset, refocus, take your mind off the charts. Same time, Grizz, 9 a.m. PST. Tushar, you're only down 400 then, man, if you traded 20. So you can make that back in one trade, Tushar. Yeah, it's crazy. Grizz, I know. Sometimes it doesn't like push it out or something. I don't know. But guys, unless it's like a holiday or half day, I always live stream for you guys. 9 a.m. PST every day. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Profit, I don't know. Well, crashing out. I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, Casey, you gotta get your shit together. Basically, I literally like looked at myself in the mirror. I was like, you gotta get your shit together. Like, this is not how a successful trader trades, and you gotta stop doing this stuff. And I was like, if we want to do this for our living, which we are, like, we gotta take this shit very seriously. So kind of like that. And then I'll just be a complete degenerate last year, honestly. But this year, like, I changed a lot. Like, I changed a lot. Then I took a 2-week break before the new year. That was nice. Like, before our live streams, I took a 2-week break. So when I first started the live stream, guys, I haven't traded in like 2 weeks. And it was my first time live streaming. And I told myself, like, 2026, like, we gotta make the biggest comeback ever. Because 2024, like, I also lost respect for money in 2025. Because, like, how much I made in 2024. I was always thinking, like, oh, I did it last year. I can do it again and more. Like, it's not a big deal. But then I ended up losing it all. Like, not all, but, like, I lost a lot. And then later in the year, and then especially this year, like, I respected the money a lot more. Like, a lot more. Like, you know, that's why I always say to you guys, like, you think of it like a living style. Like, hey, $500, that's groceries right there. Hey, a $200 payout, you know, that's 3-4 tanks of gas right there. You know, you gotta think like that. Javier, yeah, that's why I generally don't like to go opposite against the trend most of the time. Every now and again I still will, but if it's like looks like a good setup. Thank you, David. God bless, man. As always, thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you. Oh yes. We are live. Hey, where y'all think we going? We'll bring out the poll. Where you guys think we're going? We're bullish or bearish? Down? Bearish, really? I know, Alex. They're doing us dirty. Dirty right there. Damn. Well, we're 50-50 on the poll. Bullish all-time highs. Oh, yeah. Bruh. Bearish. Really? Hold on. Camera look blurry as shit. I think it's fixed. An ideal scenario, I don't like focusing on the P&L, but if we can get it above 1800 balance, that would be nice. An ideal scenario. But like I said, it's not good to focus on the P&L. We just gotta take the good trades and whatever happens, happens. Wow, you guys are more bearish. Wow, I'm actually kind of surprised. Really. You guys don't think we're going to hit all-time highs? This is the all-time high right here, guys. We finally cracked 27,000s, guys. Yeah, we're in a new territory. We're charting in new territory. Literally. Wow, more bearish. Wow. It is Clarence? Alright, know that. Yeah, yeah. Crossfire, damn. Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We do have an orange folder at 7 a.m. tomorrow. And then there's nothing for the rest of the week. Next week we have no news Monday. Just an orange folder at 7 a.m. Tuesday next week. FOMC on Wednesday next week, guys. FOMC. Mr. Powell's coming out. Then news 5:30 a.m. Thursday. PST. Might be cash, might be. Where is it? A lot of stuff is down today. Like, a lot of the stocks are all down. Like, everything's down. That's why I'm kind of surprised that we hit all-time highs. Damn. You think it's positioning short? I mean, we did have a massive rip up. I mean, look how bullish this is. This was at the start of March. At the end of March. Damn, at the end of March, we're at 23,000. Wow, look at that run. 4,000 points in less than a month, 3 weeks. Look at that. What a run. What a run. Guys, it's kind of bouncing right here. Hmm. %63% bearish, guys. That's crazy. Fishing? I love fishing. But sometimes when I'm fishing, I'm just like straight up daydreaming and stuff. I don't know. Then you feel the bite, and then you're like full on focused. Adrenaline. Chilling. Good night, AD. Thank you for joining in. I know it's a tough time for you to join and watch the stream, so thank you for the support, man. Guys, he's like watching from like in Japan, which is like what, 1 to 2 a.m. AD? That's crazy. I'd be tired too. If 1 a.m. I'm already passed out sleeping. I'm grandpa over here. $2 a.m. My gosh. Yeah, I'm passed out. I'm sleeping. Thank you, AD, as always. I'm low-key thinking of a long, honestly. What's TFT? Take profit trader? 68% bearish? My gosh. Really? I don't have any funded right now. After we got to 16 grand in payouts, I blew them the next day. And I knew I shouldn't be trading that day. I literally felt it. I don't know why. I got tilted that day. But I got some challenges going with them. I gotta start milking them. No worries, no worries. Yeah, little typo. It's all good. Yeah, we gotta start milking them, guys. They want to do me dirty. Bro, I took that as motivation. I was like, these assholes want to do me dirty. I gotta start milking the shit out of them. Yeah, I think it looks a little bullish at the moment, yeah. We had a sell-off, but I think we're recovering. We have seen this a few weeks, like we hit new all-time highs and a big sell-off comes in. Which, because, like, you know, it's overextended right here. I mean, look at these green candles coming in here. And then we have a big sell-off, and then it just, like, it looks like it's making a recovery back up to the highs. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, the trailing drawdown is definitely harder to trade. I don't like trailing drawdown. But it's the takeaway for the daily payouts. Yeah, I hate trailing. I love that more prop firms are getting rid of the trailing drawdown. Like Apex, for example. But still. Yeah, that's really great, because I hate trailing drawdown. If Take Profit Trader made you could pass in 2 days and then have no trailing drawdown, oh man. Oh man. Yeah, I think we're still bullish, honestly. Even the 4-hour chart looks really bullish. Good job, Cash. You're almost there, man. Almost there. Just ain't right. If I were to guess, probably never. Or if they did, they would have to change stuff drastically with the rules, maybe. I don't know. I don't think they ever will. But then again, you never know. Because, like, I was never expecting Apex out of all the firms to switch to end-of-day accounts. Never I would think of that. But here we are in 2026. Yeah, because if they had, like, pass in 2 days, 90-10 profit split, end-of-day drawdown, yeah, they might go out of business. So the trailing is definitely there to... I mean, it's designed to make you fail, if I'm being honest. It is. The trailing drawdown is designed to make you fail. But if you could trade around it, it stops, and then you can, like, keep taking daily payouts, which is the takeaway. Guys, we were very close to getting filled. 3 points. Damn. Yeah, they switched to end of day. The MAE rule. Yeah, the MAE rule was so weird. That's the rule everyone was getting violated by. MAE rule. But it's like, I'd rather just have that, the daily loss limit, than the MAE rule, because when you hit because if you hit the daily loss limit, you just can't trade for the rest of the day. But the MAE rule, you have to trade another 10 days from the time you broke that rule to get the payout, which sucks. You have to wait 10 business days, or not 10, I think 10 calendar days. Tommy, yeah, that's what I heard. They're like switching them to live rig really early on Apex. But they don't even have like a live program set. Like, I want to know what the live program is like. What is it going to be like? Are they going to move like all the account balances into one big account? Are they going to have this? Like, there's no like details on it. Every firm has a detail of their live account. I don't... Like, we still don't know, like, what is the Apex Live program? Like, is it 1 account? Is it 5 accounts? Like, 3 accounts? I don't know. I don't get it. Like, do they move the whole balance? Like, is there pet caps? Like, we need to know that. Yeah, they say, oh, we're gonna transition to a live account, but we don't have a live account at the moment, so you're just gonna have to wait and sit and not trade until we get the live account program set. 6 months later, yeah, sorry, we're still working on that live account program. Yeah, it's not looking good. Yeah, oh yeah. Hey, what's up, 444? How you doing, man? Yeah, I don't think they have anything set up. They don't. Yeah, I actually don't think they do. Because traders already got to live email and they can't trade with them. And I think they're just sitting. Because they don't have a live account set up. At least pay them out. Their payout. Yeah, at least freaking pay them out. Damn. Yeah, they only showed the SIM accounts. Yeah. Yeah, they have SIM in live. Yeah, program with them. Yeah. Top Step. They put all your balance into one big account. I mean, you can get 150 grand moved to live with Top Step, but you would start out with like 30 grand. But that's if you have like 30 grand balance on each of the 150k accounts. But I mean, yeah. Damn, 444. You can bounce back, man. Just really learn from your mistakes. Yeah, it is weird. And it's gone, yeah. Your payout is gone. Congratulations. You're being transitioned to live.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Bro, what is that red candle, man? We just got smoked right there. We didn't even have time to react. Well, good thing we have our stop loss in place. And it's gone. Yeah, it's gone, guys. It's gone. Is that Manuel? Yeah, I don't think... They don't have a live program, so I'm like, what are the traders doing? They should, like, pay them out, their payout. Because I heard a trader, he got it moved to live, but they didn't pay him out. They said that we're transitioning to live. Yeah, guys, and it's gone. Just like that. 1 second, and it's gone. No time to react. It's gone. Well, we have been seeing these random big candles out of nowhere. And luckily, like, thankfully, most of the time we were on the right side. This happened yesterday. I think on Monday or Tuesday. And then it happened last week on Friday where it ran in our favor like that. So it's just like, it's just random. I don't know. And it's gone. And it's gone. It's gone, guys. Because lately, it's been moving really quick to my area of interest, AOI. And then I'm like too late to enter and it goes in my favor like right away. So that's why sometimes recently I've been doing like the buy and sell orders. Yeah, we couldn't even react. I mean, at least we had our stop loss in place. I mean, that saves us. Yeah. We only lost like 11 points on that trade, actually. It wasn't that bad. 12 points. Good job, aspiring trader. Good save. Yeah, that guy Matt has $1 million payout. Been waiting since February. It's been 2 months, and they still haven't paid him out. Bro, I'd be stressed out pulling my hair if I had $1 million payout waiting for over 2 months from Apex. And it's like, I'm just thinking every day, are they going to pay me out? Are they going to do this? Are they going to deny it? What's going on? But I think he documented all his trades live in his group or whatever. And I think he legitimately earned it, as far as I'm aware of. So, I don't see what's the delay. Damn, $1 million. Still on hold for 2 months, guys. Look, I wouldn't mind waiting. But at the same time, I don't want that stress of not knowing, hey, am I going to get paid out or not? $1 million, that's life-changing money. That'd be really life-changing money. Alex, yeah. We're in a fantasy land, yeah. Guys, I'm a millionaire. I'm just waiting for my payout from Apex. Oh, man. Guys, look at these candles coming in. Damn. Well, good thing we got out the longs, I guess. Tushar, you're getting paid, bro. Tushar, you're getting paid. Tushar, you got paid right there, bro. Damn. 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 Yeah. Yeah, Apex did a lot of people dirty. They paid out a lot of people and changed people's lives, but then they also did, like, a lot of people dirty. They did me dirty. Just gone. Just gone, guys. Just gone. Your $1 million payout, congratulations. It took you 3 months to get there, working, grinding every day. It's gone. Congratulations. We're not paying you out. We're gonna send you to live, buddy. And with our live program, we're putting a 2% cap, so you only get 40 grand moved to live. Thank you. Damn. All-time highs. No more. No more. Good job, Tushar. Patience pays, man. Good job. Dude, if you're in this short for 20 micros, oh, man. Yeah, that pays. That pays. That's over 2 grand. Oh, yeah. Mr. Trump, where you at? Damn, this is a big sell-off. Yeah, that was a 65-point trade. Yeah, that's good pay. That's like over $2,500, $2,600. I mean, that's literally what happened with the take profit trader on that one trade. I literally had a short for 20 micros, 10 points. I literally had a 10-point stop loss, and it just dumped like that. 2 grand. Boom. 10 grand payout. Only risking 10 points. Damn. Sometimes it's better to be lucky and good. I don't know. Damn. Yeah. Oh, they violated ceasefire. That could do it. That could do it. Tushar, yeah. Yeah. Well, I mean, we've been in the rights. Like I said, a good thing we had a tight stop loss. Like, we took a long right here, guys. We had a buy order, and then a sell order like 10 points below. Yeah, see, guys, stop loss is your best friend, guys. If we didn't have a stop loss, we would have been down $1,000 on the day. $98. This is a 100-point candle right here. This is a big candle. On a 5-minute. Yeah, guys. BOS, break of structure. Now heading towards our AOI area of interest. Damn. All the way back to New York Open, pretty much. Damn, that was pretty quick. Yeah, these are big wicks. Yeah, very cautious, guys, if you're trading this. Very cautious. Yeah, because we're at the New York Open area. Yeah, look at these wicks on a near market open. Look at these. Just like, boom. Instantly bounce. I mean, with this volume, I mean, it could break that, definitely. I mean, this is a big sell-off coming in here. Aspiring trader, yeah, it's definitely happened, but I mean, green is green, man. So small loss is better than a small win is better than a loss. But yeah, you could just trim. You could trim. Aspiring trader. And then if you're in a winning play, trim, and then have like a winner, like stop loss and profit. That's what I do. Because some of these runners, guys, they can do some damage. Like, I mean, one micro is 100 points is $200 per micro for one micro. Imagine you had a one mini as a runner. It's $2,000. BOS AOI correlating with our AOI. Well, guys, I was wrong about being bearish. I was looking pretty bullish right here, honestly. And now the poll is now 50-50%. Before earlier, before the sell-off, we were more bearish. That's crazy. Guys, we got 112 entries in the giveaway. We're picking the winners tomorrow, so this is pretty much the last day to enter. So we got 91 people watching. If you haven't entered the giveaway, filled out the form. It's a pinned comment right there, the yellow pinned comment, the Google Docs form. We're giving away 5 free pro accounts tomorrow, end of stream, Friday. Very nice. 5 pro accounts. Oh, yes. Guys, if we break this low, this like 967 area, 965. Could be a bigger gap down. Yeah, we broke it, guys. Look at that. We broke it. I would not be surprised, Javier. I would definitely not be surprised. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Damn. What a sell-off. $160 points. Yeah, we have to do that all with correlating with price action, our AOI BOS bias for today. Yeah. Now, some of these guys, like, if it works for them, it works for them. But they have, like, so many things they have to worry about. Like, they have, like, 10 things on their list. Oh, I gotta do this with that, correlating with this, double confluence with that, looking for this, that. And then I'm like, it's, like, so much stuff where it sounds so overcomplicated that it makes it, like, more stressful to trade. I don't know. It's just, like, so much stuff, and I'm like... In some of these dudes' charts I'm looking at, there's, like, so many colors and lines and all this weird stuff on their screen. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, I cannot... I personally cannot trade like that. It's, like, it's just so confusing. Like, even me, I don't really trade with the EMAs anymore. Oh, yeah, look at that EMA downtrend, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that gap it's forming, yeah. Yeah, I always try to keep it as simple as possible, Tommy, honestly. Because when you're making so much stuff, it can be, like, overcomplicated and stressful and confusing, where it's more stressful when you're trading. Alex, I know. Guys, we took a short on our first trade. We took a short right here. And we got stopped out right here. Barely ran up 15, less than 10, 15 points, like 12 points, and then look at that dump. Oh, yeah. This is the big question. Are we making a reversal, or are we just going to make a pullback and fall short again? This is the tricky part when, like, a big sell-off or a big run happens. Is, like, we don't know. Because it could be overextended, but at the same time, it could just keep falling short. Like, right now, like, it's just dumping. Yeah, we do have a new 15-minute, yeah. Oh, yes. Two minutes for the new 15-minute. Bow, bow. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. All right, new 15-minute just happened. Yeah, we're just falling shorter, guys. Oh, yes. Damn, everything's red on the board. Damn. All the big stocks are down. Javier. Oh my gosh. Guys, this volatility is getting intense. Dude, I was looking for a short. No, don't go without me. Guys, FOMO has entered the chat. FOMO has entered the chat. Yeah. Yeah, it must have been good news today. Good news. Good news. Damn. Dude, Palantir's down 7.3%. Microsoft's down 4%. Nvidia's down 1.4%. SPY, ES and NQ is down 0.6%. Tesla's down 3.7%. Meta is down 2%. Everything's down. I know, this is quite a reversal, guys. Look at that sell-off. Guys, remember like 20 minutes ago we were in a long right here? Oh, guys, it's going to push all-time highs. Come on. Let's go. Instantly stopped out, rejected. Come on. Guys, literally 20 minutes ago. Damn, look at all these lines. Holy crap. This is a lot of lines. We got to start liquidating some of these lines. Yeah. Beyond was not even 2 seconds. Like, we were like instantly liquidated. Yeah. As soon as we got filled, stopped. Hey, order filled, stop filled. Just like that. I was like, whoa. No time to react. No more peace talk. They mean business. They're standing on business. They want all the smoke. Champions. Yeah, he didn't even have time. Yeah. That's funny. Bruh. FOMO for Mo. Mo FOMO is in the chat. Alright, new 5-minute. Oh, yes. Yeah, should we take a stab short? I mean, I wouldn't long down here. I mean... $250 points now from that sell-off, damn. Look, maybe right here. Maybe we gotta see this pullback. Maybe enter look for a short, maybe. If it still respects it. But we are down 250 points from that sell-off. Yeah, we gotta stab short, yeah. We're not taking a short, guys. We gotta stab it. Stab short. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. I need a sound bar, like the thing where you like just press the button and it'll play the sound, a soundboard. I need a soundboard. Javier, yeah, a little, yeah, it's true. But if I see another trade set up, maybe, I don't know. Order filled. We gotta put on a show. See, isn't it like so much less stressful when you're up on the day already? Like yesterday, just good trade, boom, we're up 600 bucks. Call it a day. Go on about my business. Guys, when we're down on the day, oh man, should we take another trade? Oh, that looks like a good setup. Oh, I just want to get back to break even. Oh, this, that. Oh man. Yeah, you gotta be careful in these markets, man. Oh, yes. No. It's making new lows. Yeah, apparently Iran is does not want a peace talk. Guys, I'm surprised. We're now 55% bearish. 45% bullish. It's about 50-50. Baron Trump? Baron Trump. What's his wife's name? Melania? Melanie? Trump's wife. How you say it? Melania? Melania? Melanie? Some shit like that. Yeah, crypto scammers, yeah. All of them are. Yeah, after the Trump coin pumped and dumped, his wife came out with a coin and his son came out with a coin. Pump and Dumper? Oh, that's a good name, yeah. I'm talking about Trump's wife, M5. Melania, whatever her name is. Melanie? Pump and Dump? Pump and Dump? Oh, that sounds funny. Pump and Dump. Johan, yeah, it happens, man. Yeah, definitely just keep all the tabs micros if you trade micros, man. Yeah, it sucks, but just a big lesson. Melania? Yeah. Yeah. 96% is crazy. Talk about a rug pull. And of course he did it right before he entered office. I think he did it like within a week before entering office. Yeah, guys, I don't know. We're only down 511 bucks on the day. Guys, we took a short. Where did we short? Where did we short? I think we took a short right here. Got stopped out. Yeah, we took a short right here. We were up like almost 15 points, and then it came up and stopped us out. And then we took a long right here. All right, it's gonna hit all-time highs. Then instantly stopped out. 500 is not too bad. Yeah, if you accidentally enter on minis instead of micros, it's either gonna be a really banger trade or a really bad trade. Yeah, because 10 minis is a lot. I mean, 5 minis is a lot. 10 minis, 10 points is $2,000. Instantly stopped out, yeah. Bro, when the Trump coin first came out, I think it was like $50 to $60 a share. Official Trump. Now it's $2.84, man. Wow. It's down 94% all time. 94%, guys. That's crazy. Cash, yeah, they're funded. What the heck? There's a lot of volatility and manipulation going on right now. Guys, you see that massive pump right here and then it just dumped like nothing? These are actually big candles. This is a 65 point candle right here. That's actually 70 point candle right here. That's a big candle. The volume has definitely increased, guys. Yes. His wife's coin. Bro, honestly, if you're in that coin, do you just like, if people are still invested in it, which people are, do you just like, just take the L and move on? Or just like hope that it'll go back? I don't know. Yeah, it's down 94%. Yeah, Trump has like another stock. DJT. Oh my gosh, it's $9. I remember actually looking at DJT. It was like $16 a share. Now it's $9. It's so bad. Trump could give two shits. He doesn't care. He's making a lot of money elsewhere. He could care less. $9 a share. It's down 43% all the time. Damn. Hopium? Yeah, you're smoking that hopium, guys. Hopium. That's crazy. Lesson to be learned. Don't long-term play Trump's his coins or stocks or whatever. Damn, look, it bounced right there. Whoa. Whoa. Dude, it would be so sketch taking along here, though. Well, yeah, that shit is just like get in, get out, get your money, and get out. Yeah, you definitely do not want to hold that stuff. It's all that meme coin crap, too. Pump and dump scams. Yeah, everyone gets, yeah, some people make really good money on it, like good ROI, but then majority of people, they all lose on it. Like that chill guy coin or some shit, whatever it was. I don't like those meme coins. It's all scams. Pump and dumps. Just kids freaking rug pulling and stuff. Thank goodness I did not get into NFTs. Because when that was popping off and everyone was going crazy and NFTs were like really high priced, I literally thought the same exact thing. I was like, dude, this is like a pump and dump scam, like a facade or whatever. Like it's all hype, and then it's gonna come crashing. And thankfully, I didn't buy any of that shit. My friend did though. He bought a lot of it, and he did lose thousands. But he's like, hey man, it's just he was like, I was full degen back then, bro. But now he invests in like stocks and stuff. I'm like, there you go. I would much rather put my money in like a long-term stock than like that crypto stuff, meme coin. Yeah, NFTs. I saw Logan Paul, like he lost like a lot on some of them. And then he's buying like really expensive. Wasn't Logan Paul with Patrick Whelan unboxing Pokemon cards? What was that all about? I saw it on his page. I was like, I would never think they would collab or do whatever. What's up, Kokochi? What's up, Veer? Yeah. 650 grand, damn. Yeah. It's all scams. It's all pump and dumps. Yeah, but I feel like the same thing with the Pokemon, like it's good. It's like the same thing. I think it's like a big hype train. Everyone's going crazy, talk about it, investing, buying this, buying that, and then it's just gonna come crashing down hard. Same thing like the shoe market. Yeah, that's why I got out of it. M5, yeah, that's when I was reselling. Yeah, shoes would sell out. You'd make $50, $100 profit per pair, new release, instantly sold out, lines waiting out the door. Now it's just sitting below retail at the malls. Thank you, Terry. God bless, man, for using my code, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. Really means a lot. Good luck with that account, man. He would. I mean, yeah, if money's involved, yeah, he doesn't care. He'll invest. He'll do a collab with the devil. Yeah, he would. Anything for money. They don't have morals. As long as money's involved and they're making money, they don't care. Let's go, Tony. Good job, man. Proud of you. Yeah, those are shorts paid, man. Good job. Is this the reversal or is this just a pullback rejection back down? Find out in the next 5 minutes. God. I don't want to FOMO in. Nah, this is bad. This is too volatile. I mean, we're only down 500 on the day. 2 small losses, really. 10 micros, 1 mini. It's not bad. There's only 25 points. We could literally make that back on 1 trade. Yeah, in 5, they started mass producing a bunch of shoes and re-releasing a bunch of old retros. Like the Undefeated 4s. For example, and a bunch of other ones, Chicago. Shatter Backboard. Every shoe, really. They're re-releasing. Yeah, Tony, yeah, California. I mean, guys, we don't have to force to get a payout by tomorrow. I feel like if we force it, it might lead to bad trading and focusing on the P&L. Because I was thinking, oh, if I make 1,000 today and then 1,000 tomorrow, we can get a payout by Friday. And then there's always that risk of ruin. Risk of ruin, guys. Yeah, I mean, yeah, like I said, $500 is nothing. We can literally make that back on 1 trade. 1 just base hit trade. Yeah, that is true, Kokochi. We don't want to FOMO in right now, especially, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at these shorts. It's not stopping, man. Thank you, Tony. Thanks for watching, man. Even though you're supposed to be working, man. Thank you. That's dedication right there. Yeah, it's all same thing with the Labubus. Like, I don't think they're that popular anymore, right? Like, the Labubus were super hyped. Even my cousins, even my girlfriend got 3 of them. Everyone loved the Labubu, the Labubus. And now I don't really see them, like, too crazy now. It's the same thing. It's like a bunch of hype. People talk about it. It's all over social media. They join the hype train. They get excited, and then people get bored of it. They move on real quick, and it dies and crashes real quick, and then there's a new thing coming out. It's like a whole niche thing, you know. It's a fad. It's called a fad. Yeah, a fad. You see that a lot with, like, collectibles, like, you know, Beanie Babies. Beanie Babies. My grandma had a bunch of Beanie Babies. You know, it's like all the hype, and then people get bored of it, they move on. Same thing with the shoes. Yeah, are Labubu still hyped? Because I haven't been hearing a lot about them in a while, actually. And then, like, on public, like, if you go to a mall, before you see a bunch of Labubus on, like, girls' purses and stuff, or people's backpacks. But I haven't been seeing a bunch of Labubus either. Imagine that name. We're talking about freaking Labubus. Unreal. Oh, yeah, I remember Beyblades. Beyblades, yeah. We'd have, like, the dome, and then we would, like, yeah, shoot them out or something. Okay, yeah, I know, man. Yeah, it's so full brain rot material, yeah. Yeah, Rambo. I was not expecting this big of a sell-off, honestly. Like, this is a big sell-off, and we're still selling off. We're still going. That's why I low-key wanted to FOMO in the shorts, but I was like, I don't know. Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh! Beyblades, Pokemon. There's, like, more stuff, too. I'm 26 years old, dropping. Rambo, yeah, definitely call it, man. Especially with the volatility picking up. You get back some of your losses, man. So 1K is not too bad, Rambo. So good job on that. Tech decks. Oh, yeah, tech decks were a big thing. Back then, the Call of Duty, the old Call of Duty, like the original Modern Warfare and Black Ops. Solid games. I remember we were waiting outside for the new game at GameStop. They opened at midnight, I think. And people were waiting in line to get the new Black Ops. Tech decks. Yu-Gi-Oh! Tournaments? Oh, man. Yeah, I miss the old call days, too, yeah. With the homies, yeah. I remember I'd have sleepovers with my friends, and we would all play, like, zombies all night. We had the ray gun, and we play, like, on the split screen. Good times, man. The Thunder Waffle on Black Ops, the Thunder Waffle. You remember that, guys? And then they have that, like, electric gun in the zombies, where we, like, shoot all the things. Yeah, I used to play a lot of Call of Duty. Like, you know, we were in the lobbies. We had, like, the troll names and, like, trolling each other. Good times. Dude, if you survive those times, dude, you can survive anything now. Nowadays, people are, like, so sensitive and shit. You still got your tech decks? Tech decks are cool. Like, we would play them in, like, high school, like, on the desk and shit. Yeah, COD Modern Warfare Original. That's what we're doing, the intro on the Black Ops music and stuff, Modern Warfare. Yeah, good memories, man. What's up, Steve? How you doing, brother? M5, yeah, man. Just growing up, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Halo, yeah, on the Xbox. My friend had an Xbox and we'd play Halo. And then after school, yeah, we would go to his house to play Halo. And then he would have, like, the freezer burritos. And then we would, like, microwave them and eat the burritos after school. Hey, what up, Bonnie? How you doing, brother? Guys, look at that sell-off. Oh, man. We're still going. Good times, man. Good times. What a time to be alive. Who knows, man? Who knows? Who knew back then like this would like completely change? It obviously would change, but man, good times. It was so nostalgic back then. Nice, Steve. How you doing in the tournament, man? Johan? I don't know, probably. I think we might have broke it, maybe. Probably, yeah. Guys, we're just dumping. Damn. Wow. Look at this volatility. Yeah, maybe it's best we stay cash. Tushar, exactly, man. You can't be greedy. Nobody knows. Dude, if I had a crystal ball saying like Casey short now and hold all the way to 755, all in. Oh man, we all be rich. Put it on the live account, full max, full port. Oh yeah, and then you have a full TP right here, and then the CME is looking at your trades. They're like, he went all in, no stop loss, perfect entry and a perfect exit. Illuminati is confirmed. Straight to the gulag. Investigation, FBI, get him out of here. Get him out of here. Straight to the gulag, buddy. Insider trading. Dude, this shit is still dumping. I thought it was gonna maybe make a reversal right here, but nah, it just kept dumping. Damn, that's 100 points from this point. This is a big candle. That's good, Steve. That's really good, actually. Dude, you're the top dog. You're in the top dog, top 100. Yeah, imagine like a full-on millionaire trader like the Chads. Hey, he's always the Chads, and they have like the paper trading. Like, yeah, our Discord members ate today. We had a short right here, instantly in profit, risking 15 points. Caught a nice 400 move down to the downside. Gonna enjoy the beach with my new Lamborghini and my Rolex. Join down below. Discord members are eating. And then it shows like the Discord, and it shows like a bunch of fire emojis on the chat. Discord members are eating. It shows like a bunch of like usernames with like their gains. Oh, just got a payout. Thanks, Casinator. Oh yeah, he's the best. Oh yeah, thank you, man. Oh man, buy my course, guys. Buy my course. Full TP smacked. Oh yeah. Guys, this is a big candle. This is over 100 points. This is 120 points on this candle. That's a big candle. Yeah. Yeah, and they had like the trading view thing. Like, oh, right here, we're looking to take out Asia high. I took a fair value gap back down to the downside. Instantly in profit. Smart money liquidity sweep. I average negative 340 points every hour on the hour. Because we ate so good today, guys, I'm having a 10% off discount on my course. So instead of $7 grand, it's $6,300 just for today. Better hurry. Spots are selling fast. They're selling really fast, just like how market's selling. It's selling really fast. You better buy now. 10% off. Oh man, the hour. Dude, look at the hour candle. Tushar, you're right. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this hourly. Dude, this is a 400 point hour candle. And the hour's not even over. We still have 15 minutes. Oh, look at the 4 hour too. Damn. Dude, this shit is still selling. Damn, the markets are pissed. Scam. Scam. Dude, I know a lot of the gurus too, they never post payouts really. They just say, oh, we made this amount, this, that. I think even TGR, he said he was making a lot of money from payouts, but I don't think they got payouts. I don't know, allegedly. They never post shit. Scams. Scams. Guys, this is with the live account. Not bad. This is our 5th payout. This is our first. Remember, we started down like almost 3 grand. Look, 570, 2060, 3230, 1320, then 1275 yesterday. Look, they're all in the bank. This is not including the 20% fee, so this one's like 1,020. But yeah, not bad, guys. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. Look at that. Blue Row Capital. Thanks, Blue Row Capital. You're the best. Yeah, 1 to 50. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Rambo. God bless. This is actually, this is a big sell-off actually coming in. Yeah, you can build a nice home gym. Damn. The markets are pissed. I mean, QQQ now is down 1.2% on the day, and SPY is down. ES down 1%. That's kind of a lot. I mean, look at this volatility. Yeah, dude, this is the type of market where you just jump in short and hope for the best. But it's so scary because there's so many like green aggressive pullbacks. Like, look at this pullback. I mean, this is a big pullback. This is like, dude, this is like a 90-point pullback from the low. These are big candles, guys, so be very careful. Maybe it's best not to trade it. Oh, man. I don't know. Guys, we had a Barron Trump, Melania Trump, and Trump. They all sold their profits. They're selling their profits. They did some nice trading, and they're just selling off now. They're just collecting their profits. Oh, man. Dude, I thought we were, like, overextended right here and just gonna, like, bounce back up. But look at this sell-off. It's still 180 points from this previous low. That's big. Yeah. Oh, yeah, the market makers, guys. Yeah, I just had to sell some of my profits, lock in some gains. Yeah. Gonna enjoy the beach with my Lamborghini Urus. Yeah. Link in my bio. What a sell-off. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade these accounts anymore today. Yeah. It's too risky. We do have a new 4-hour in 10 minutes. Remember that, guys. Guys, the 4-hour candle. Oh my gosh. It's like over 400 points. It's like 400 or 500 points. Dude, imagine you accidentally click on this thinking it's like a 5-minute chart. And you just jump in. Oh, man. What a day. I was not expecting this sell-off. Guys, we're still going. Rambo, yeah, it is pretty brutal, man. I drink 2 cups of coffee. So right when I wake up from the same mug, I drink 5 cups of the mug. So 5 cups of coffee right away when I mean 5 cups of water, not coffee. I'd be going crazy. 5 cups of water, and then I brew my coffee, and then yeah, I start drinking the coffee. Yeah, like 30-40 minutes after I wake up. But I usually just drink like 2 cups of coffee and then water the rest of the day. But if I'm feeling tired before the gym, sometimes I'll make myself an iced coffee or like an espresso shot every now and again. But I always have 2 cups of coffee a day. Just plain black, like no sugar or milk or whatever. Wow. Oh, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I like drinking iced coffee when like I'm out and about, like on the weekend, because I can just drink it right away. Iced coffee on a nice hot day, pretty good. Dude, the best is like after a long hot day of fishing, like it's hot out, you catch a bunch of fish with the boys. You go to the smoothie place. They have a mega banana rama. And so it's a banana rama mega, like a jumbo size with a scoop of protein powder. On a hot day, man. Oh man, it's fire. It's fire. Nah, I don't drink beer. Nah. I don't drink alcohol that much, really. Guys, I haven't drank alcohol this whole year. Since December, pretty much Christmas time, I didn't drink alcohol. So I haven't drank alcohol in over 4 months. Dude, it feels pretty good. Yeah. When I did have a beer, my favorite one was the Guinness Stout. I like the Guinness. It was pretty good. It's like not as bitter, and it's like a nice like creamy beer. It's pretty good. Oh man. Yeah. We're not touching this. Look at this, guys. I mean, how could you trade this? Go long. Long. Hell no. Too sketchy. Too sketchy. Good job, Veer. Massive recovery in the markets. 400 points to the upside. Here we go. Hell no. How can you trade that? Bro, this is a 160 point candle. Guys, this is a 160 point candle. My gosh. Wow. Hell no. Now's the type of day to go touch some grass. Time to hit the lake, boys. Chance, yeah, you definitely gotta get a little lucky in these areas. Yeah, everything's sketch. Whoa. Clench, yeah. Yeah. Time to get some chips, yeah. Watch the markets. I mean, it's like, how are you going to know? Like, is it going to make a reversal? Or is it going to go back up? Or is it just going to, just a pullback, big pullback, and just sell off? Like, I don't know. I literally don't know. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Chance. Oh, man. Yeah, if you have a 300 point stop loss, I mean, yeah, definitely. Oh yeah. 100 point trades on the daily, Wow, what a recovery. This is like watching like a big boxing or UFC fight. Right? Oh, look at that sell-off. Oh, big recovery. Oh, whoa. Our inner degens are coming out, guys. When volatility arises, our inner degen also arises. Cave trader, yeah, maybe it's best to stay cash, man. If you're unsure. I mean, it's pretty volatile right now, honestly. Wow. Damn, Bandit, let's go. 8 grand? Let's freaking go, Bandit. Get that payout, brother. Start milking them. Gotta milk them, guys. Milk them. Good job, Bandit. Lock it in, man. Especially on right now. Lock it in. Don't trade rest of the day. You get a nice payout end of day. Lock it in. Lock it in. I feel like it's making a recovery. And then it's just going to do another random just big dump. I don't know. Because I thought we were going to make a recovery right here and just yeet. Just dumped. Yeah, good job, Bandit. Yeah, good discipline, man. Get that payout. $8.20. Damn, dude, this is an 80-point candle. It doesn't look that big, guys. This little 5-minute candle is 80 points. 80 points. Good luck, Miguel. M5, yeah, man. You can definitely find a wife in Asia, man. Chance, yeah. I think that's basically break even, man. It's 48 bucks. Ver, I mean, you're still up, man. I mean, you're still up $6,000. That's a big win, Ver. M5, yeah, you have like a mini U running around. It's pretty cool. Good job, Miguel. Chance, yeah. Chance, you're taking some chances, yeah? Peace out, Miguel. God bless. Glad you're up on the day. Good job, man. Go get some sunshine. Go work out. Lock it in. Good job, man. Oh, yeah. Javier, a lot, man. A lot. A lot of people made bank, but also a lot of people lost, definitely. I mean, it kind of came out of nowhere. I mean, it literally happened at 10 o'clock. An hour ago. Love you too, Miguel. God bless. Have a good one, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Ver, yeah, exactly. Just do that. Because on the Flex account, there's no consistency rule. So honestly, Ver, just like literally flip. And yeah, get that payout. Because you got a nice, depending on the account size, probably like a $2 to $3 payout, Ver. And a nice buffer. So just flip, man. Yeah, M5, she needs her visa, man. Go marry her. Go fly to Cambodia and marry her. Then you can bring her back to the U.S. Alright, the new 4-hour has occurred. Dude, imagine you accidentally click on this and you just think it's like a 5-minute chart. Oh, man, you get smoked. Look at this hour candle, guys. Look at this hour candle. That's 400 points. Flick, it's okay. We took 2 small losses, honestly. I'm honestly not tripping, honestly. It's 500 bucks. We can make that back on literally 1 trade. Yeah, that's nothing. And especially with this volatility, yeah. Do not bring her back. Yeah, it was pretty bad. Turtle soup that shit, yeah. Turtle soup. Guys, do you think we're just going to make a massive recovery back to the all-time highs? Guys, it's acting like here's the magnet right here. The all-time high. This is the magnet. Price is like, I'm getting attracted to it. Yes. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Oh man, look at that green. Look at that green. Kokochi, yeah, I mean, yeah, we have seen massive dumps and then pumps. Yeah, massive reversals. I mean, it looks like it's getting bought up right now, but like I said, we don't know. It could literally just be like a big pullback and then just rip on down lower. Never know. This is bullshit. Oh, man. Making a recovery. Yeah, NQ is down like over 1.2%. Now it's only down 0.5. We have made a nice recovery. Yeah, right here. Damn, this is a lot of points. Like 200-300 points right here just in this reversal. Yeah. Damn. Hey, what's up, wise guy? Yeah, 2 trades, 2 small losses, nothing crazy. We're only down 500 on the day. We stopped trading after this big volatility came in. Our last trade is right here. Guys, good thing we have a stop loss, guys. That stop saved us. Oh, man. Javier, I know. Crazy. Alright, guys, I'm going to call it right here. Yeah, no more trading on this account. We took 2 small losses back to back. And yeah, it's 11 o'clock, so only down 500. Like I said, we can definitely make that back. Guys, we literally took a short right here. Got stopped out. We were at our peak. We're up almost 15 points. No big deal. I don't care. And then right here, we took a long. We had a buy order long. Instantly stopped out. We had like a 10-point, 12-point stop loss. Instantly stopped out. Good thing we had a stop. And look, just dumps. Yeah. No FOMO. No FOMO for Mo. But like I said, guys, we're only down 500. We can make that back on one good trade. Literally, not even a good trade. It's like a base hit trade. It's 25 points. Alright, guys, right here. Keep your eyes on me, not only for direction, but only for empowerment. I never lead you to do something without equipping you for the task. That's why it's so important to seek my will in everything you do. There are many burned out Christians who think more is always better, who deem it unspiritual to say no. In order to know my will, you must spend time with me, enjoying my presence. This is not an onerous task, but a delightful privilege. I will show you the path of life. In my presence is fullness of joy. At my right hand there are pleasures forevermore. But my eyes are fixed on you, O sovereign Lord. In you I take refuge. Do not give me over death. Psalm 141:8. This is what the Lord says, your Redeemer, the Holy One of Israel. I am the Lord your God, who teaches you what is best for you, who directs you in the way you should go. Isaiah 48:17. You will show me the path of life. In your presence and fullness of joy. At your right hand are pleasures forevermore. Psalm 16:11. God bless. Amen. And yeah, so God bless, guys. Amen. Go touch some grass. Yeah, the volatility kicking in. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST to end the week strong. And yeah, so God bless everyone. Yeah, we had nice 3 winning days on stream. It's all good. Small loss. We can make it back end some. Not going to force it. And yeah, so God bless. Have an amazing day, everyone. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.